Hi guys, it's Marine. Welcome back to my little English page. Today is day 8 of the Mini Monday series, your weekly meeting where you learn a different idiom or expression that is very common in everyday English. I have a feeling that you have already heard today's expression before. It's an expression that's very common in American TV shows and movies. It is to take a rain check. To take a rain check. This is an expression that you use to politely refuse an offer or decline an invitation, with the implication that you might want or agree to do that at a later date. You can use this expression in any situation. Let's say that you have just finished work and your co-workers invite you to go for a drink with them. Unfortunately, you already have plans for the evening, so you're just going to take a rain check, meaning that you might go for a drink with them another day. Another situation where you could use this expression is your friend calls you and wants to go shopping with you. Unfortunately, you have a date. So you'll tell your friend that you take a rain check and you'll go shopping with her another day. That date is way more important. Yes, Marine? Hey, Sophie. How you doing? Good? So we're organizing a game night this weekend, and it comes without saying that you're invited. It's on Thursday.
Let me stop you here. I'm very sorry, but this weekend I'm busy. I have to take a rain check.
Oh, really? What are your plans?
I have swimming lessons.
Swimming lessons? Really? Alright guys, this is the end of your Mini Monday episode. Don't forget to use this expression to memorize it. So, leave your example in the comment section below and I'll correct it for you. Of course, connect with me on social media. There's Facebook and there's Instagram. And don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel if you haven't done it yet, but also to turn on the notifications by just clicking on the bell button. Thank you so much for watching, and of course, keep on learning. Bye bye. Hey guys, so you liked this video, you enjoyed it and you want more? Don't worry, I have over 150 videos on my channel. There's one right here, and there's another one right here. And while you click on those little videos, guys, I'm going to dance for you.